Gusto mo rin ba ng corner lot pero ang hirap makahanap kasi palaging sold out? Good news, meron tayong duplex na para ka na rin nasa corner. Complete finish ang turnover with kitchen cabinets. We have extra space for extra storage and this is our first toilet and bath. Kompleto na rin yan with shower head. Malawak ang dining and living area. And we have extra space here and dito sa gilid, another extra space ideal for extension or car park. Ang ganda na rin ng ating stairs with stylish high ceiling na nagbibigay ng extra lighting and natural airflow. Pagdating dito sa second floor, nandito yung ating 3 bedrooms and second toilet and bath. So, this is our first bedroom. Ayan, meron na rin siyang window for that natural lighting and airflow. And this is our second bedroom. May window na rin yan and meron na rin cabinet. Enough space para sa gamit mo. And this is our third bedroom. Mas maraming window ito and this is our master's bedroom. So, mas maliwanag, mas maaliwalas, mas mahangin, mas kasya ang mga gamit mo. And connected din ito sa toilet and bath. Lahat ng kailangan mo, meron na.
For only 20,000 reservation fee, pwede nang mapasayo ang bahay na to.